Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need a few shades of green pony beads and black pony beads. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, and a long piece of string. I'm using this elastic, but this project would work better if you had a little thicker string, but either way, it's fine. We're going to start, well, you know what, before we get started, I'm going to show you the pattern really quick. That's the pattern. We're going to start with, I have a glow-in-the-dark, a dark green, and I have a neon green. So, glow-in-the-dark, dark, green, black. Then I have dark green, neon green, black, glow-in-the-dark, and neon. Okay, you're going to hold these ends and let these beads come to the middle. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. Now for the next row, we're going to do neon dark, 4 black, dark, and neon. You're going to lay that down and take the other string and go across. And you're going to go through all the beads. Hold these ends and then pull the beads down. What you're trying to do is get the strings even on both sides. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to do the next row. So it's glow in the dark, dark, 4 black, dark, and then glow in the dark. Lay that down. Take your other string and go across. And now that we have this started, what you can do is just take the ends and pull the string. See, if you use a little thicker string, then the beads will stay, it'll be firm. It'll be not as flexible. Okay, the next row is dark, neon, dark, 2 black, neon, glow, and neon. And then we're going to take our string and go across. Grab the ends and then pull. Okay, the next row is glow in the dark, 2 black, neon, and glow. We're going to add 2 black and then a glow. Take this string and go across. and then you'll pull both ends. Okay, our next row is neon green, 2 black, dark, and neon, 2 black, and a neon. Take the string and go across. Grab your ends and pull. Okay, the next row will be glow, 2 neon, dark, 2 glow, neon, and dark. We're going to take this string and go across. Okay, the next row will be dark and neon, 2 glow, dark and neon, dark and glow. Okay, so this is going to be my last row, so we're going to tie it. But if you wanted to, you could turn this into a cuff. So to turn this into a cuff, you would cross your string over and just keep adding rows until you have the length of your wrist. Now, if this needs tightened up, you might want to go back through, and if you pull the sides, do that for each row. Or what you could do is pull the rows down. Now, I'm not going to do mine too tight because I have the thinner string. So if you have a thicker string, it might work out a little better for you. But this is all I have right now. Okay, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.